Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Welcome to JoAnn Big Country Kitchen. I'm back here. This your girl here, YouTube. Cooking for you tonight. We having another recipe on the hush puppy, my hush puppy. So I'm going to show you where I left off from, which is the macaroni cheese, doing the macaroni cheese inside the hush puppy, and also the okra inside the hush puppy. I'm gonna have a little snack tonight, me and my son. So I'm gonna prepare this. We're gonna prepare this dinner supper for y'all. Okay. So I'm gonna get with it, get to it. Let's get it going on. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. All right. All right. So we're gonna start first. We're gonna mix the hush puppy mix, my hush puppy mix, and we're gonna add some water here. Okay, you set. Bring it a little closer so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. How y'all guys out there doing today? Did you have a good day today? I did. I did. I'm sure did. Oh, the time. The time is okay. They changed the time now. It's slow time. But it gets dark so fast. All right, that's something I don't like, getting dark so fast for this time. But anyway, it's cool. So I'm just gonna show you how I mixed it up. Okay. Hush puppy mix. My own hush puppy mix. All right. Woo. Okay, I should be loading this video time I put these in and show you how it is prepared. Hopefully by tomorrow. Then I'll be coming on with some more hush puppy ideas. All right. I think I got my grease good and hot over there. Hope it ain't got too hot. We'll see. All right. So here. All right. What I did, showing you just showing you the results of the macaroni cheese here and the okra. Do you see that? Okay, that's how I'm going to do it, and I'm going to dip it in my mixture, my hush puppy mixture here. So do you see this? Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Nah, I know you see it. So this how this is prepared. This is what you see, the macaroni cheese and the okra. Okay? Then I'm going to have a piece of ham meat with it. Cut your ham. Alright? Okay, first of all, to see the grease is good and hot, I mixed the batter for y'all. Here's the batter. I mixed. See, it's hopping up. Woo. Yes, it's ready. It's ready. Yes, it's ready. Okay, I'm gonna bring y'all over here to the stove. Okay. Hold on. Hi. Hold on. All right. Time to better get it in there now. All right. Okay, first of all, you're gonna see me mix the batter. Put the macaroni cheese in the batter. You will see me do this. Okay, simple as that. So I'm just showing you how I do it. All right. So I got my mixture mix. All right. Put these in this mixture. I hope y'all see this. Okay, this is a little quick snack. Quick. It's a quick one. I'm not gonna keep you out here long. All right. So see what I'm doing? I'm putting these in there. Look here. See there? I'm putting these are the okras and the macaroni cheese. Now we're going to the hot grease on the stove, which you know my favorite to cook in is my iron pot. How about that? All right, now I'm gonna show you. If y'all ready for the show, I'm gonna show you how this done. All right, quick. All right, here we go. All right, get your own mixture you want to mix, and this there, you know, well, how much water you want to put in and everything, you know, this get you, you know, this get your own mix like you want it, and then get you some macaroni cheese, put it together, slap it together, and put it in the oil or the hot oil. All right. Woo. Okay. Oh, y'all see that? Do y'all see this? This is how it's done. This is how it's done. Look at that. It's how it's done. It's how it's done. Yes, macaroni cheese inside a hush puppy. This is my hush puppy mix. My only hush puppy mix. Okay? Y'all can do the same thing. You do what y'all want to use. But this is my own mix here. Okay? No problem. Yes. There it is. Look at that. See how it forms so fast? This is my own formula. That's what my own formula that I mix in the mixture of my hush puppies. Mix. Of course. This is my quick snack tonight. Sit back here, man. I'm gonna have me a piece of country ham, and I'm gonna eat okras. Ooh, my okras and my macaroni cheese. And y'all, this is a snack any time of the day or night. And you can eat it any time of the day and night. Oh, I just love the snack. Not too late, but you know, I know. Let me see what time it is. Okay. All right, not too bad. But that's what it looked like, y'all. See how that look? See this? Do y'all see this? It's not done yet, but you know, I'm putting it in there. I say about only cook probably about 5 or 6 or 7 minutes. This depends. Yeah. It depends how you put you in your mixture, how you perform it. Okay. I've been doing this for a long time. I got other ideas coming up, y'all. Just haven't fixed up with my camera, so hopefully it'll turn out right. But I know it will. I'm gonna keep the faith in God, okay? So anyway, YouTube subscribers out there, thank you for subscribing my channel. I really appreciate that. And so continue to subscribe my channel. You know that little notification bell on the right or left, whatever the side is. Please click on that bell, and you'll be notified a new video that I comes up when I put one up, okay? And I also want you to comment me, please comment me. Not only the other people out there trying to do it too, please comment them as well. We would love to hear from you. And I so thank you, YouTube, for tuning in to watch me make these little macaroni cheese and hush puppies and the okras hush puppies. Look at there, how pretty that is. Look at there. Look at there. I just show you the step and I show you the process, how it go. Try it. This is something good, man. This really good. Trust me, this really, really good. Delicious comfort food here. Hey, you know, it's very good. Okay, it's done, y'all. It's done. I'm gonna cut the stove off. Shoot, I'm hungry. Shoot. Yes, 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 yes. Look at that. Look at that. Trying the grease off of it, but look at that. Look at that. Close up. All right, we're gonna do it close up so you can see it. You can see it. Yes, 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 yes. All right. Look at there. Ain't that nice? Look at there. That's a hush puppy, y'all. I'm serious. It's good too. Look at there. Look at there. Look at there. Look at there. All right. All right. It's done. It's done. Complete. It's done. And I'm going to cut one in for y'all. Cut one in for you. All right. Okay, I'm fixing to cut you one so you can see what it looked like. The finished product. Woo! Lord, let me turn around and see y'all see it. There we go. So we're gonna start with the macaroni cheese. I don't know which one. I'm gonna show it to you. It's done. Yes, this is macaroni cheese. Woo! It's hot, y'all. Look at it. It's hot. It's macaroni cheese. And here is the okra. Here's the okra. See the okra? That's the okra. The okra. Okra. Yes, look. So yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at there. Macaroni and cheese. Oh, I got a little bacon in. I'm going to show you how to do that too. My next one. Oh, look at that. See that? That's macaroni cheese. Yeah. It's hot, y'all. It's hot. It's too hot to eat it too. Yes. All right, y'all. All right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you again. Thank you again to tune in to watch my video here doing the macaroni cheese inside the hush puppy and the okras inside the hush puppy. I got many ideas coming soon towards y'all way YouTube. Thank you for coming in cooking with me. All right, see you next time. All right, Big Country. She's on the rival. All right, thank you. Bye. Good evening, good evening, good evening. This is your girl back, JoAnn, Big Country Hush Puppies. Yes, I'm back to give you another idea that we have here. Today, our idea is macaroni cheese inside a hush puppy. Yes, it is delicious. Yes, we're gonna fix this for you this evening. I won't be up here too long because I got other things to do. But I want to come on and tell y'all that the day recipe gonna be for the new my hush puppy mix is macaroni cheese inside a hush puppy. Okay, and I want to come on in and tell y'all how thank y'all for subscribe my channel for me and comment me too as well. I thank you so much. So y'all keep on doing that good work. Keep on subscribing. Keep on comment me. And you'll be notified. When the bell come up, you'll notified if a new video come up. So yes, so that's what we're gonna have today. It's gonna be quick, not gonna take that long. So when I come back, it'll be everything prepared. So when you see me work with it, then you'll see what I'm doing with my recipe. Okay. So thank you. But I'm just gonna show you a quick a few of the brand that I'm using. So here's the brand that I'm using here, Bill. This is the macaroni cheese with the shells in it. The shells, and I'm just gonna do what that recipe said, the board, you know, like 1.5 cup or 4 or 6 cups of water for the, you know, let's go by what the box say, okay? So that's gonna do this. So it's gonna be a plain macaroni cheese inside a hush puppie, okay? So here is the macaroni cheese here. So I'm just trying to wait for it to cool off. So man, when I know is when I come back, it's gonna be cooled off. See that? See this right here? Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Okay. So today, I'll be back tonight sometime to do the finish doing the product here. And thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. This is Big Country. She's back. All right. Thank you.